Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and as you can see I am bringing another glossy box to you with another Lippie sort of box. Basically, again, for the same reasons that I bought the last ones, because there is 2 subscriptions, we got another one. I wasn't going to bring it, the glossy box one, but I realised when I got the other one that I could actually do it, and I wanted to see what we got in the Lippie box. Let's start off with this one first. Start off at the beginning. Start at the beginning of the story. So inside you get a sheet. If anybody is interested to get this block box for next month, they are doing the Huda Beauty lip liner, and they run it around £16. Well, this box is 14. That's without the extra goods. So if you feel that it's worth it, then sign up. Start off with, first of all, we've got the Batiste Dry Shampoo and Hydrate. Is your hair feeling weak, damaged, frizzy, dry or flat? Say hello to these new dry shampoos infused with strengthening keratins, smoothing coconut, moisturising avocado or plumping collagen. This is £1.50. For a full size it's £4.24. I know for a fact you can get this for a couple of quid. I don't use Batiste stuff. I generally just give them away to people. Do you put stuff in your hair? Yeah. Do you want Batiste? Yeah. That's where this goes. The Dream Blender Foundation Sponge. So this is what it looks like. I don't think I'll ever use this, so I'm not actually going to take it out the box. I've heard really bad reviews on this, but it's a full-size product as well, and it says this latex-free foundation blending sponge delivers even coverage and a smooth finish. Simply use the side of the sponge to blend your foundation in circular motions. I just can't see myself really. I can't foresee myself using this at all. Not for me. And they are saying this is £4.99. So yeah, that's about right. It's what I've about seen them for. So the next one is bamboo oil. Refines and nourishes all hair types. Strengthens deep conditions. So this is what it looks like. And it says these go, because there's 4 of them on the packet, so you get different ones. These deeply nourishing treatments infused with argan oil, keratin protein, I can't say the next word, melon oil or bamboo extract will repair, soften, smooth and strengthen your hair. The clever formula infuses your hair cuticles with hydrating nourishing, and this is £2.49. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of these. I might actually give this one a go and see if I like it, but there is a lot in here. This packet's actually really full. We will see. I will, when it's empty, I'll come back and tell you about it. Then the next one is this Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. This is the brand -417. So that's what it looks like. It is quite, this has got to be full size. Oh no, it's not. This is not a full size. This is 100 mils, and they're saying this is £13.31. good then, and it says, add this refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your beauty regime. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. It's a face wash, guys. Would I pay £13 for one? No. No. But I will use it. It will get used. The last thing that's in this box is this Aviant. And it looks like this. All those late December nights call for a skincare saviour, and we've got the perfect solution. This delightful full-size anti-aging moisturiser is formulated with the deeply hydrating wonder ingredient, hyaluronic acid. It will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote an even skin tone, and minimise appearance of fine lines and pesky pores. This, guys, there's no way on earth that I would ever pay this price. This is a this is a 50ml. And it's £98. £98 for a face wash. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not opening it because I've got steam in there. So, for me, there's nothing. So, let's have a look in here. Well, that's one way to make it look beautiful. I haven't got an eye pencil. So I've got 2 lip products, so I'll start with them, shall I? So this is the Sun-Kissed lip gloss. Doesn't say anything else but that. I'm not even going to test it. It's a lip gloss. It's going to be a light lip gloss, and again, I won't use it. I've got so many better lip glosses that I've never heard of Sun-Kissed. Never ever heard of Sun-Kissed. And then there is another Sun-Kissed lip gloss in a pink. This was like a nude. These are my 2 lip products, guys. It's definitely getting cancelled now. Why? Why? I've never heard of them. It's not a brand that I know about, that you see in the shop. You know, we've all heard of Technique, but I've not heard of Sun-Kissed, because everything here is from Sun-Kissed. So then we've got the Sun-Kissed mascara. Mascara. I'm not bothered about opening this. This is what it looks like. That came out and that was so dry. And this is like the same price as the Glossy Box. Let's do the eyeliner. This is came from Sun-Kissed, and this is the eyeliner. It's a black one, so I'll do it that way so you can see. Oh, that's not too bad. But will it stay in your waterline? Is it worth keeping when I've got so many? Sorry guys. Right, so also from Sun-Kissed is eyeshadow, no name, and it's one of their mini quads. So that's what they look like. Let's swatch. That's not too bad. So that's the first one. That one's quite nice. That one's okay. A little bit powdery. Did you see that? No, I missed it. It's there. Just. And it's just there. But hey, wait. They ain't just sent you one. I'm really happy, aren't I? They've sent you two. The first one wasn't bad enough. What are these leftover ads for a Christmas cracker? Colours, guys. That one's 1, 2, 3. Oh, look how powdery they are. Nice swatches. But this is what I'd buy if I had an 8-year-old daughter that wanted to knit mine. This is the sort of thing you buy your nieces, your nephews, your young kids. This is not for adults. Ooh, and they've gave you a brush to apply it with. And this is the... So it's a sponge on one end, and let's do the bristle test. I'll tell you, does it? I've got a sticky out one. Can I pull it out? Sorry guys, that's just going... Oh, I got another one, but I'll have to show you that afterwards. This is the Sunkish Cheek Party Blush, Bronze and Highlighter. Nice colours. That's the blush. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad if you're a child. Which is what I was going to say before I got this. They've given you a brush to apply it with. Do you want to see it? So guys, if you want tact, and it is tact, or if you want children's makeup for your child, then go to Lippie. That's all I can say is, this is just tact. So the things that I don't like, I generally put into a giveaway at some point. But this tact won't be going in a giveaway. This stuff will probably go and just disappear into the oblivion. So that is the end of that. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you feel like I've been robbed, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're new to this channel and want to see more like this, but better quality and better products, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring out another video. I'm sorry, can't stop laughing. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.